And here is the highest part of the track. And we're 600 metres above sea level, and we're going to go 300 metres downhill in the first half of the lap. This is hats and back, and this is a slightly slower section, so we go down to the bottom of third gear, double apex right, and then left, right, left. Late apex on the right here sets you up for a good exit on the left. You can feel, even with cold tyres, this car has a lot of traction. The XJR575 benefits from the torque vectoring differential, the same as what's in the back of an F-Type SVR. So it really does have traction. You don't need to worry too much about it only being rear-wheel drive. The fastest part of the circuit is coming up for us tonight, and we'll do easily over 250 k's. So if you want, I'll call it out. We're doing 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, braking again. And Schraden Kreuz about 180 on braking. And then this is Arenberg. And as Phil mentioned, totally standard brake discs and pads. So this is the next OMG moment. This is as you can go through the bottom. This is called the foxhole. Fußröhre auf Deutsch. Through the bottom of the foxhole, and then braking up the other side. And now we're going through one of the slowest turns on the whole track, which is called Adenauer Forst. We can go down to second for this.
Last weekend, I know.
Amazing race. There's still a lot of rub up down, but they have sent the road sweeper around, so they've cleaned the circuit since the end of the race. Late apex here for Callenhart. Compared to the XJR575 limousine. But our power to weight ratio is still pretty impressive in this car. So when we get this uphill section here, we're still travelling very, very fast. I like to use all of the track where possible. Little jump in the middle, and then braking. It's quite impressive that you can even keep a Lamborghini Performante in sight with a professional driver.
Why not?
possibly caused by some leaves on the track. Because at the Nürburgring, drifting is forbidden. Just to be clear. So that was the famous carousel named after Rudolph Camacchiola carousel. And we are nearly at Hort Acht. Hort Acht is about 75% of the lap finished. It's also above 600 metres again. So we've gone down 300 and we've gone back up 300. Not sure who that guy is. So this now is my favourite section of the track. You've got to do a little brake before the jump. Jump, brake, tuck it in, nice and tight on this second apex, then turning before you reach the top of the hill. Use the rumble strip, cut it tight again, jump. Nice straight line over the top, keep her really straight, and then turn in for the last half.
Oh yeah, that was great.
Late apex for the right. Late apex for the left. You can really feel the traction there. I'm driving the car with stability control turned off, so you can be sure that this car really is producing that much traction from the rear axle. It's not the computer restricting the throttle. I'm putting down 600 horsepower with no problem. Almost no problem. A little bit quick on the way in, but then we can go full gas here. And then the Lambo, then the GT3.